Hello students, myself Deepika and welcome back to our channel Learn on Your Screen. Today I am going to do exercise 8.4 of trigonometry. Let's start. Question number 5, first part, cosec theta minus cot theta square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Let us take left hand side to prove right hand side. Left hand side, cosec theta minus cot theta square. So we have to change these cosec theta and cot theta in cos theta. So we convert these cos theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, 1 upon sin theta, and cos theta is cos theta, cot theta in terms of cos theta, sin theta, and this square from the formula. Now take the LCM. Sin square theta, it become 1 minus cos theta square. Next step, look at the right hand side. On numerator, here 1 minus cos theta. We have in left hand side 1 minus cos theta, but in denominator we have to change sin theta in terms of cos theta. So our first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It means sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Like this, we convert sin in terms of cos. 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So it means it is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. That become 1 minus, it remain as it is. It is a minus b and a plus b. Next, 1 minus cos theta. Here it is in square. We can write like this, divided by 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. This term goes and we have left 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. This is our right hand side. So it is proved. Therefore it become, what we have left, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Now our second identity, our second question, what we do here, cos of a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, and we have to prove that this side is equal to 2 times sec of a. So take left hand side is cos of a 1 plus sine of A plus 1 plus sine of A divided by cos of A. ठीक है. In next step, take the LCM of this. Cos of A 1 plus sine of A. Here it becomes cos square A plus 1 plus sine square A. Now this term becomes like A plus B whole square. We cos square A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. It becomes like this. Cos of A 1 plus sine of A. Next step, cos square A, open this, plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus sine square A plus 2 times sine of A divided by cos of A 1 plus sine of A. Now this sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is the identity. Which identity? Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. So cos square A plus sine square A, rearrange these terms. 1 plus 2 sine of A cos of A 1 plus sine of A. Now in next step it become 1 plus 2 sine of A divided by cos of A 1 plus sine of A. Now here 1 plus 1 2 plus next is 2 sine A divided by cos A 1 plus sine A. Now in numerator 2 is common in both terms, so taking 2 as common, 1 plus sine of A divided by cos of A 1 plus sine of A. In numerator and denominator 1 plus sine A goes, we have left 2 upon cos of A. So 2 cos is the reciprocal of sec, it becomes sec. That is our right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, proved. Next question, third part of fifth question. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. क्वेश्चन करने से पहले वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो लाइक जरूर करो. Again we convert these terms in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 minus cot theta converts cos theta by sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta. 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Next step, here take the LCM of this, it becomes sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta sin theta become cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. It becomes sin theta by cos theta. ठीक है, it goes reciprocal, sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now look at the equation. Sin into sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Like this, it becomes cos into cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now look at the right side. We have to make sec and cosec. So here is sin and cos theta. We can easily convert these terms in sec and cosec. So what we do in next step, here sin theta cos theta are common but with opposite signs. So we convert the sign of this to become sin minus cos. Here it is cos minus sin. We will do, in one step we do that. We take common sin theta minus cos theta. Here we left sin square theta divided by cos theta. Now we take this as sin minus cos, so it becomes negative. Divided by what we left sin theta. In next step, write it as it is. Again take the LCM and it becomes sin theta cos theta. Now here sin q theta minus cos cube theta. It becomes a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is equal to, it is the algebraic identity. It is a minus b, a square plus b square plus a b. So we are using this identity. One minus sin theta cos theta. So here a is sin and b is cos. So sin theta minus cos theta. Next a square आ गया sin square theta plus cos square theta plus ab. ab is sin theta for cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. ठीक है. Next, sin theta cos theta cancel. Next, sin square theta cos square theta. It is the identity. It become 1. So what we left? 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. It becomes 1 divided by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Again these both terms are same, it goes cancel. ठीक है, तो it become 1. What we have left? 1 by quantity here. ठीक है, sin theta plus 1. What is the reciprocal of cos? Sec, and sin is cosec. Here we have to make this sec theta cosec theta plus 1. This is our right hand side. Hence proved. आज हम 3 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, बाकी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि जब भी वीडियो आए तो आपको पता रहे.